Let's walk through the process of measuring for aluminum, Bahama-style exterior window shutters. This video is the first in a two-part series that concludes with installing aluminum Bahama-style shutters. Measuring requires minimal time and basic equipment, including a steel tape measure, sturdy ladder, notepad, and pencil to record your measurements. Shutters are constructed with extruded aluminum alloy for impeccable strength and remarkable durability. Unlike standard colonial-style shutters that flank the window on either side, Bahama shutters are built to cover the entire window. They are primarily installed for storm protection in high-velocity hurricane zones. A shutter designated for hurricane protection will be made with reinforced, impact-resistant louvers. Shutters specified as decorative only are constructed with hollow louvers that are perfect for daily use, but are less resilient to extreme force. Measure the width so the shutter will overlap the window opening by at least 1 to 2 inches on either side. Support brackets will attach to the building on the lower, outside edge of the closed shutter. Check to ensure a firm, level surface. The top and bottom rails of aluminum shutters are 2 inches tall. The side stiles and sub-stiles are 2 inches wide. Vertical sub-stiles allow Bahama shutters to cover a wider expanse. Narrow shutters are not made with a sub-stile, but wider panels will be made with 1, 2, or 3 of the vertical supports. The window width will dictate the number. Aluminum shutters arrive with the structural hardware necessary for installation, including the top hinge that comes pre-attached. To determine the shutter height, first assess the future placement of the hinge. Some windows have either no casing or flat casing that surrounds the opening, allowing for the hinge to mount near the window. It's recommended that the shutters extend beyond the top and bottom of the window opening by at least 1 inch. Other windows will require that the hinge install beyond the casing. If the mounting surface is recessed by more than 1/4 of an inch, a build-out hinge is available. The height ordered is the measurement of the shutter and the top hinge. For this installation, we have opted to roughly align the shutter with the window casing. We first measured from top to bottom of the casing, then added 1.5 inches for the top hinge. Aluminum Bahama shutters are available in height increments that correspond to the louver spacing, about 1.5 inches apart. To order, choose the size closest to the required dimension. Installation screws will need to be properly anchored to a structurally sound foundation in accordance with local building codes. Support poles connect to the lower bracket and to the side of the shutter. The tension knob loosens to raise or lower the shutter. It tightens to brace the shutter at the desired angle or in a down position over the window. When lifted, Bahama shutters provide shade to the window. As the shutter raises, the louvers decrease in pitch, allowing for visibility through the window. Some projects call for shorter, awning-style shutters that only cover the top portion of the window. These shutters can shade the window from midday sun, but offer minimal storm protection. Z-clamps are included with hurricane shutters to lock the shutters in the event of a hurricane or tropical storm. They are optional for decorative shutters. Alternatively, integrated pin latches are a quicker method to anchor the shutters over the window. Pin latches are bolts built into the bottom rail that slide horizontally into a receiving bracket. Standard pin latches are accessed from the outside. If an inside access pin latch is desired, amend the shutter height so the adjustment knob can be reached from the open window. This is a good time to select a finish color. Aluminum shutters are powder-coated from a set of standard colors or from an extensive deck of RAL colors. An optional epoxy prime coat is recommended for a longer finish life, especially for structures along the coast. Shutterland is committed to helping you select the best exterior shutters for your windows. Visit us at shutterland.com to view our full range of styles and materials, along with detailed specifications, pricing, and ordering. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for great tips and helpful information about exterior shutters.